yeah, this is what came with the car. Alright, so we're back out here again. We finally got the Tribeca pulled up in here. You know, that 2008 Tribeca, like I was saying, when we first picked it up originally. And this is what happened to become with this car. So it had an alignment and a whole, basically, a new battery, tensioner, all that good stuff. Head gaskets, timing cover, all that stuff done at 88K. It has 109K on it. It has a lot of problems, and we're basically going to break into it. It has a warranty on it. I looked into the company. Unfortunately, they went out of business in 2008 or 9, something like that. So unfortunately, we can't bring it there, and we were going to do that and kind of see if we could get it done for free, you know. So we're going to just basically break down into her, tear down into it, and see what that problem is about it leaking. So we're just going to jump right into it. Alright, so we got a lot of shit done. We basically obviously pulled the radiator out. We're taking all the timing cover, bolts off, but we have quite a few stripped out. Unfortunately, whoever worked on this before kind of stripped them out before, so we were working with what we got. We need to just find an extractor, and we'll basically deal with that tomorrow, or we might jump onto something else. Who knows? We'll see, because ideally, you know, we all want to get this thing going and get this car running. So that's probably going to be my priority tomorrow. See you tomorrow, and we'll get into it. Later.